Hey guys, I'm back, and I'm just going over. Maybe I don't know where I'm going. I don't know. We'll see. Right now, I know where I'm going. Sort of. Okay. Oh, I think that point of interest, there's like an underwater cave, yeah. Or tunnel? I don't know. It looks like that was probably mined by, like, not naturally occurring, but anyways. Rich mithril vein that I am not going to be able to get without getting murdered. Mithril used to be a little bit more valuable until, like, again, more maps that had it, so it's, you know, it's not terrible, but it's not what it used to be. Okay, let's see what else is here. What am I missing? I'm missing a vista. It's obviously in a spot. Oh, there's an interest down there. Oh, might as well just port down there and then go up here. And then, like I said, there's one of these I can't get. I know there's one up, like in the corner, that corner of the map. Oh, that's right. This cave, okay.
Charge!
You following me? Yeah, I was gonna try to get that mithril, but I don't think that's gonna work out.
Receive the advance!
That thing is very angry with me.
Sharp blades, sharp mind.
Alright, let's just repair these things. And see if this person wants my summoning stones that I've been picking up. Hopefully they do. Yes. There's a lot I could help.
Do you work for me?
Oh. Well, I guess I have black summoning stones and moa meat. No, I don't want to do that. Getting a collection. I should probably just sell that, to be honest. But anyways. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's a hero point. Oh, I think I've already been over there. Okay. So go back over here. I don't feel like running through that cave, being lazy. Might die. Ooh, landed. Didn't even mean to do that. Oh, dude, I'm so sorry. I had to leave you there because, like, yeah.
Dragon Dung Strider. I am called to teach.
And he wants to fight. Damn it. And his name was Nice Guy Hugo, and I'm just like, later, bro. Oops. Just leave him there dead. It's fine. Sure, he doesn't mind. He's probably AFK and then got killed. This is the Jormag area. It's like two parts. There's the second part. Over here, I think, is the first part. And where I think I am. Yeah. And this guy, you need to spend
100
of those for every legendary.
Only those who oppose his will.
Shut up, dude. Who's this suspicious traveler? I wonder if I can talk to him. Nope, can't talk to him. Ooh, or a Calcamore. That's still worth something. Alright, I think the last... There. That should be... Okay, good. I was like, it's part of it, isn't it? Yeah. I don't think I'm going to try to revive those people until I get that last waypoint up there. Or I hope it's my last waypoint. Let's get these torches. I can light them and run. Oh god. Scary. This has like a name, like a nice name. Starry Path of Star. Yeah, Path of Starry Skies. It's like, oh, that's so poetic. That's what I was trying. The Coden have poetic names. Okay, well, this might suck a little bit. Oh, this guy's gonna.
Receive the light.
At least I got most of the guy right first. Okay. Get this to. Oh dear.
Advance.
I'm gonna just run up in here. I don't know. I don't know if anything will follow me up in here, if these guys will attack them. I'm hoping those guys will walk away and I can revive that guy, I think. Just gonna try to creep up on him here. It's not showing on the map, but there's two of them there. I can move. Darn it. I'm gonna die. I'm probably gonna die, but it's... Oh, yep. In the bubble! My bubble! It does nothing. Sad. Okay.
We must slow the ice brood assault. Would you be willing to help us?
You know, normally I would, but... Oh, it looks like the torches have respawned, so that's good.
Advance.
Oh, I might be able to revive this guy because this person's killing things. Maybe. Oh, no, nope.
Receive the light.
Because I have all of the aggro. Oh, this torch. Gotta be careful. Yes! Alright. Alright, let's see what I got here. Oh, I'm missing a vista. Okay. Oh, and a waypoint. Oh, there's the waypoint. Oh. Maybe this is over there. Well, we're gonna go that way. Go away.
Dragon came to me in a dream. He is not the enemy. Only those who oppose his will.
feel like this is contested a lot of the time. Don't think there's a vista over here either, but there's like a little smidge that looks like it needs to be unlocked. Apparently no. Okay, hopefully I'm safe for a second.
Search the waters for castaways. Some are likely injured and will need help getting back to shore.
Trying to find the vista. So that's the last thing I need. Well, that's irritating. That's actually in bitter frost. Just kind of looking for anywhere that I didn't unlock. Maybe? I don't think so, though. Okay, let's see.
Search the waters for castaways. Some are likely injured and will need help getting back to shore.
God, I hope it's not in this cave. No, I got those, yeah, I got the two. I hate that cave. Herm. Well, this is embarrassing. Got in... Maybe? I'll try in there. If not, I'll have to look it up. Of course, this is gonna pop up now. Whoa, where'd that guy come from? Oh, yep, no, I know where it is. That's right. Yeah, I did miss it. Yeah, that was... okay. Well, there we go. So that, because I can't do this one up here. Am I getting attacked? No, okay. Oh, it was that guy was making noise. I'm like, what's happening? So that's Frostgorge sound. Yay. So yeah, one heart quest I can't do. No luck on the hero points. Just no luck whatsoever. But yeah. So I got 87% of it, which isn't bad. Ooh, I'm at 83% map completion. And I'm level 72 on my way to 73. So, I guess up next is ore. Yeah, where am I going here? Go, maybe. So that zone's the same level as this one, so I won't be, you know, as bad, hopefully, when I get in there, but yeah, so hopefully I can get to 75 and not suck so much. I feel like something is trying to hit me, but I don't know what's going on. Oh, something down there is being fired. Okay. So yeah, I will come back and I will be doing Straits of Devastation, I think it was. It will be my next one. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.